So hey everyone, hope you are enjoying our previous classes. So today we are going to learn about Gen AI tools. That is the tools we are using in Gen AI. So stay connected and enjoy the session.
So now when I'm talking the application of Gen AI tools, we need to understand what exactly we're looking for. So if you are looking to give the input as text and output as text, image, audio, or video. So apart from anything else, you are expecting that you'll get in Gen AI. Apart from this, there should be one input, there should be one output, right? So your input either text, image, audio, or video. Your output also same, either text, image, audio, or video. So finally, we have four type of, you can say, input and four type of output. So you give the text input and either you'll get the text as output, image as output, audio as output, or video as output, right? So this stuff will be there. That means 1:4. And same if you change is to, if you give the voice as input, then either you expect text, voice to image, voice to audio, or voice to video. So that means if you put image to text, image to audio, image to video, all those stuff will be there. So this is one of the two where if you go to the explore the GPT, you find all these options available there. So you can see the features, what are the GPT holds. This is trending, like image generation, right? For me, that is summarization, Canva, that is effortless designing, Scholar GPT, answering your question answer, consciousness, whatever you do research, you give there, it will try to give you some suggestions. Logo creator, used for the company. So there are lot many tools are there already in GPT site. Apart from, you have photorealistic GPT, and then there are Copilot. We have total one session on Copilot. So Copilot is your assistant. Whatever code you are generating, Copilot can help you to generate those codes for you. AI humanizer, universal primer, diagram creator. So a lot many options are there in GPT itself, Chat GPT. For image generation, you have Dell E. Okay. Similarly, for data analysis, you have data analytics. Create writing which are there. Okay, for plant, any geology, botany students is for them, plant is there. Hot modes, coloring book heroes. If you want to try to create some new superheroes from painting, you can do that. Similarly, writing. So if you want to write a story for you, it can write a story. Okay. Even if you are writing for your uh, product, brand, advertisement, it will help in that also. Generate text to video maker. All the options are there. Now, all these options are there, but only one issue is there. Whatever the data you pass here, it will take as a learning data for the GPT. It will take that and it learns something from that. Like it's a human being. When you give some experience, it will register in his mind, in his brain. So the GPT is still learning. It is learning every day. You know the company named Nvidia. Now it is one of the richest IT company just 2 days back. Okay, 2, 3 days back because of this product, GPT-3, GPT-4. So that's how Google is very means what you call put lot more pressure on Gemini AI. Gemini is not so popular, but still they are in a competition mode. Both have their own pluses and minuses, and they are trying to do. Reconnect again to the same link because I can see will disconnect. So these all stuff is happening, and as I already mentioned, how we can ask questions and answers, and we'll get that also. To create image of a map of India. Let's check what it is creating. So you can see it is able to create a Indian map. Odisha is not properly presented. The states are not so clean in nature. So there are many tools, and let's see some of these tools. So as I mentioned, either your input would be audio, video, text, and image. So similarly, visual input, audio input, text input, and the output would be similar: visual output, audio output, text generator, or maybe code. So these stuffs we can get. So if it is visual output, you can get image, video, and design and generators. And if audio, voice generators and music generators we need to use, and text generators are there. So if you see, there are some sites where you can get all these basic AI tools. These days, everything is available on internet, like GPT, character AI, Word. So you can see 50 monthly products. I get it from this website. So which are very popular right now, which are related to different type of AI products, and that you can use to improve your efficiency in daily life. Each of them has their own way of creating the data. So if you go for audio, you can have this jukebox, music LM. Uh, all these are audio AI segments, and you can get it and create your own music. If you go to AI writing, all these chatbots are there: ChatGPT, OpenAI, Synthesia, everything can be useful. Okay. Gemini, as I mentioned. So every company is trying to start creating its whole product. But the major stuff is who has the data power. He will be win this race. Okay, the race is already started. So 2022, now it is 2024, 2 years. Okay. So it will continue more further, more progress will be there, because with huge data, then huge processing speed will be there. And then the next target is accuracy, quality, and efficiency. All those stuff will be there. So Microsoft, Google, OpenAI, like Nvidia, everybody are in this game now. IBM also. So all big companies are there. They are trying to make their best AI tool, and that will easy our life, okay, and increase our efficiency. So if you are a developer, what are the areas or what are the stuff you want to check? So as you are or you know Python, so for best Python model, TensorFlow is there, PyTorch is there, scikit-learn is there, okay, and Spark as well. Spark is mostly linked um, to the Apache company, and it's linked to your query languages, okay. Then OpenCV, NLTK is there, GenZim, First AI, Allen NLP, H2O AI. All these products are there. You can use Pandas is also part of Python, all these tools for the developers available. And you can use this toolkit to develop your own AI product or model. So there are some press which you can get, bot presses you can say, where you can find some assistive instructions from the different websites. Okay.
So hope you enjoyed our today's session. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe our channel.